Happy Wednesday, everybody! As y'all all have probably seen on the internet, other than this coronavirus stuff, this Dalgona coffee, that is what I'm going to be making today. I've seen it all over TikTok and it's going viral right now. My aunt even sent me it. So I decided what not better to do than to make a video about it. It's so simple. You literally only need 3 ingredients: sugar, instant coffee, and milk. First you have to boil some water, which I already did back there. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Everything's gonna be equal proportions, except the milk, but that'll be at the end and y'all will see. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and then 2 tablespoons of water. In the bowl, all you're mixing is the instant coffee, sugar, and water. People usually whisk it like with an actual whisk or a little spatula thing, but it says it makes their arms like literally fall off, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go the easy way and use this. But if you don't have one of these, you can also use like a hand mixer, and if you don't have one of those, I guess you're just gonna have to go the old-fashioned way. This is gonna take a year. What time is it? 12:57. Let's see how long it takes. It's already been 10 minutes and it's getting a little frothier. I put it in here, but this better be that good or else I'll be upset. Okay, it has been 30 minutes now and I'm still mixing, but it's getting thicker. Look. And now I'm just mixing my hand because I feel like that'll be better for right now. And the little frother was starting to smoke, so. Those are my cousins. Because we can't see each other in person, we just FaceTime all day. While we're doing homework, eating, working out, making coffee, working. We're attached, to say the least. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done. Okay, 35 minutes later, we finally have a stiff peak, you guys. So, we can start to assemble our coffee. I'm gonna put ice in this cup real quick. Ice halfway, and then you fill it halfway with milk. And now we can put the whipped coffee on top. Oh wow, that's satisfying. Now we taste and see if it was worth 35 minutes of my time and a broken arm now. Shoot. Oh yeah. This is so good, Josh.
Mmm, it's delicious. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to 35-minute coffee.
Yes, and your forearms look like Popeye.
Mmm. This will get you lit. Oh no. It was worth it. You guys, this was so worth it. Could I say best coffee I've ever had? I think so. But this is gonna get me wired. I'm gonna be so jittery. Okay. Well, I hope you guys liked this video and you'll try it for yourself. If so, DM me on Instagram and tell me how y'all feel, or comment how y'all feel about it, your review, if it's worth the 35 minutes of whipping. And honestly, if you do it all by hand from the start, it'd probably take you an hour, because I used like those other things, but it didn't work as well. And I hope all of y'all are staying safe. I'm praying for all of my subscribers. I am so close to 1,000. Please help me, you guys. We are 60 people away. We got this. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see y'all next Wednesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Ding!